Louie the Boiler Man, the Irish Latino. That's right, guys. We're here to celebrate St. Patrick's Day here at the Irish Pub. Let's go.
We got Louie the Boiler Man. St. Patrick's Day is the best holiday of the fucking year. I don't care.
You ready, mi gente? You ready?
Are we ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm more ready. It's St. Patrick's Day. It's time to party, baby.
Heat it up, heat it in, let me begin. I came to win, feeling cold, that's a sin. If your bowler acts up, business starts to back up. Make one call, new your bowler, get it wrapped up. Get up, stand up, come and throw your hands up. Cold is what you're feeling, heat is what we bringing. I heat up your house, I heat up your town. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Lou, 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 Lou.
Amazing. I love him. He's so fun. The energy is up here.
I love it. I love it because
the bar was here and he brought it up.
We're going to step it up a notch because right now we're about to get something to eat, but as soon as we're done eating, we're going to go to the Louie the Boiler Man truck and we're going to do a little video with Louie the Boiler Man himself in action. You ready, mi gente? You ready?
Are we ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm more ready. It's St. Patrick's Day. It's time to party, baby. Wepa!